In this video, I am going to show you how to highlight cells in numbers on Mac. Here we have a sample table and some data is there. These are student scores like test 1, test 2, and these are the name of the students. So our goal is to highlight those values which has greater than 90 score. So this score has 90 score. This one is exactly 90, 95. But we are planning to find only the score which is greater than 90. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to select the column based on which we want to apply this conditional formatting. So here this is the column. We need to figure out the values which is greater than 90. So we can click here, there, double click, and it will select only the data row, not the header. So if we click single click, it will select entire column, but if you click double click, it will select only the data part. Our goal is to like format only this data set. That's why I choose this data. Now I have to come this cell section. Once we are in the cell section, the cell section is basically inside this format. If you don't see that sidebar, you just need to click here, then the sidebar window will be opened, and from here we have to click cell. Now we have to come down, we'll see conditional highlighting. We need to click here, it will bring this type of window. Now we need to add the rule. I'm going to click add the rule, and our goal is to highlight only those score which is greater than 90. So I'm going to choose the number, and from here we have to choose greater than this one, and then we have to type the value based on which we want to compare. So I'm going to type 90, as my goal is to highlight only the score which is greater than 90, only greater than, not equal. Okay, and then there is the option. If we click here, it will bring different option. Now here I'm just choosing green fill. You can choose any color also. If you click here, that color will be applied, but green fill is fine. I'm going to click here, and then we have to press done button, and very shortly you will see the update. So here the score which is greater than 90, only those scores are highlighted. In this way we can also find the score which is less than 80. So let's see how we can do this thing same way. So at first we need to double click on this row, not row, this column data. Then we have to come format and cell, then show highlight rules. We need to click here, and then it will bring this window. Now we need to add a new rule. Just click here and then number, and here we are going to find which score has less than 80. So I'm going to find the less than, this one, and then I'm going to type 80, and then I'm going to fill with this red color. So I can choose this one, or if I don't like, I can choose the other color. So red fill is fine, and then I'm going to press this done button, and here it is showing this red color. This these rows are red because there is no data, so we can ignore it. We can select it, and we can right click and delete this thing. There is delete selected rows, it will be removed. So now see here, the score which is less than 80, those are highlighted, this one and this one, and that's it. In this way we can easily highlight cells in numbers on Mac.